present tense sentences with examples. I play cricket every day. I play cricket every day. I am playing cricket now. I am playing cricket now. I have just played cricket. I have just played cricket. I have been playing cricket for 2 hours. I have been playing cricket for 2 hours. I eat a banana every weekend. I eat a banana every weekend. I am eating banana now. I am eating banana now. I have just eaten banana. I have just eaten banana. I have been eating banana for 10 minutes. I have been eating banana for 10 minutes. She drives a car. She drives a car. She is driving a car. She is driving a car. She has driven a car. She has driven a car. She has been driving a car since morning. She has been driving a car since morning. We study English. We study English. We are studying English. We are studying English. We have just studied English. We have just studied English. We have been studying English for 3 years. We have been studying English for 3 years.
To watch more videos, subscribe our PEP English channel.